She walks in slowly, everybody turns. Quiet little smile, but you know she's got that world. She don't say too much, she don't need to explain. There's a beauty in her silence, driving everybody insane. She's got her own way, she's got her own style. Class in every step, elegance in every smile. Soft like a flower, strong like a queen. The kind of woman you don't see every day in your dreams. She's calm, she's cool, she knows the rules. She keeps it simple.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I just want to say thank you so much guys for the love and support that you are showing me each and every time I post something. Honestly I wasn't expecting kuti YouTube channel yangu ichatoita ma followers akatowanda in a short space of time. We are almost reaching 300 followers soon, and and thank you so much guys for subscribing, for commenting and sharing my videos. Zvikuramba zvichiita kuti tiwane ma new subscribers nekuita sei nekuwanza ma views. So we're still continuing on simple easy meals to cook. Haisingori nyangobika zvinhu zviri fancy every day, but those simple meals that are easy, that are delicious, ngoti family inakiro. And also sezotambotaura kuti techingotrya kuchinja ngoto weekly pereo vanhu vadyawo different type of food. Sangoramba chingoti kana risadza ngori sadza nechicken, rice nechicken, but kungochinjawo. And also nekubika zvinhu zvinenge zviri budget friendly, zvinenge zvitori mumba, maybe zvaunenge usingaite sei zvaunenge uchingoti pamwe hazvina basa kana zvaunenge usingambofungire kuti I can make a meal out of that, and zvinenge zvichiita sei futi zvichigutisa. So today I'm just going to show you what I'm going to make. It's very very easy, and it's something chatagara chingobika every day. And guys, keep on subscribing, keep on commenting, keep on liking my videos. So guys, before I show you the ingredients, I'm cooking for my husband. He's on holiday, and I just decided to cook him something simple and traditional and also healthy. You know kuti mazuva ano zvinhu zvawanda ma chemicals and in my fats and all those things. Ngoti I think zvikuita kuti health yedu ikasike kudeteriorate. Saka tinenge tidawo kunyanyoshandisa zvinhu zvinenge zviri pamba, maybe zvinhu zviri homegrown, zvinonyanyisa zoti it's nice, it's fresh, hazvina zvakawanda zvinenge zviri mukati. So I'm going to show you my vegetables. I think ndofunga ndakataura kuti ma vegetables angu I just take kumba kwa mama unogara wane ma vegetables ando kwatinoenda ndobva ndanoita senza ndotora ma vegetables angu akawanda, and these are fresh. Haana zvakawanda zvaanenge akaiswa, vanongoisa manyowa chete, manyowa, and obva zvatotanga obva tongodiridza, hapana mazi fertilizer kana chii. And guys, it's also good kuti tigoita magarden. Inene mamanje apa ndichatoita garden. Ndaisimboita hangu but rakazofa because ndine nhumbu, and yeah, handozokwanisa kuri maintain. And also my husband wasn't around pamwe pacho nonanga achisikero basa, saka takanyatsoshare time yekuita kuti riflourishe. But I'm going to start as soon as rainy season yatanga. Ndichatozoita kagarden kangu kanenge kane ma vegetables ari fresh. Ekutenga nhumbuwa anenge achivava kana kushata, haangoshayi, anenge angori ma problems. So, and I'm going to use this Mealie meal for Sadza. Ndosimbobika niwe zviyo kana munga endo, but wakapera, saka ndichatongoshandisa upfu white for today. And then these are must haves in your kitchen: Matemba, carpenter, yeah, and chunks. in machangs ndomada, you can say what you want, you munogona mashora, but ini nangu I love machangs. Haanetse kubika, unomadyisa rice, unomadyisa anything. Saka ndekugarisa mumba, especially kana uchidongobika ka simple quick meal kungoti rice rako, instead of kudya rice nesoup chete ka unenge wakuisawo tumachangs. And then matemba ndeya dead specifically inangu matemba ka handimafarire angori neka aftertaste kaanako. So saka I think you either love them or hate them. Inangu handimafarire. And I'm also going to cook chicken feet and chicken livers. There are also a few gizzards in here. Ndichangozvibika zvese ka1. Changoitira kuti mudhara vawane nyama, tingazovape matemba chete nesadza. But they're cheap. It's simple and easier. And then my tomatoes ne onion yedu. I think ndofunga kana manotisa isusu hatinyanyi kuisaisa roiko mazi spice nechingotraya kungozvikipawo kungotira kuti zvingove healthy and also for putin. Handisi kuda kunyanya kuti putin akasikise kuti angodya zvinhu nemazispice nei, saka nechingotraya kungoti zvingovewo simple and clean and also nice. Saka enjoy the vlog. Apa ndakutotanga kutocheka zvinhu zvangu and then I cook 2 minutes. Unenge watoita sei watopedza kubika.
Oh yeah. Something about her, something different. Yeah, she walks in slowly, everybody turns. Quiet little smile, but you know she's got that world. She don't say too much, she don't need to explain. There's a beauty in her silence, driving everybody insane. She's got her own way, she's got her own style. Class in every step, elegance in every smile. Soft like a flower, strong like a queen. The kind of woman you don't see every day in your dreams. She's calm, she's cool, she knows the rules. She keeps it simple, but she never loses her principles. And when she walks by, you can feel the vibe. There's something in her aura that you can't describe. Rosely, beautiful naturally, sweet like a melody. That's how she gotta be. Got a gentle heart, but don't mistake it for weakness. When she makes her mind up, she don't move with the madness. She knows what she wants, she knows what she deserves. High standards in her life, yeah, that's how she preserves. Mother to the little ones, she's giving them love, raising them with values, looking up above. A woman with faith, a woman with class. She doesn't need to chase, good things always come fast. She's calm, she's cool, she knows the rules. She keeps it simple, but she never loses her principles. And when she walks by, you can feel the vibe. There's something in her aura that you can't describe. Rosely, beautiful naturally, sweet like a melody. That's how she gotta be. Rosely, behind those beautiful eyes. She's not trying to impress, she's just being herself. And somehow that's exactly what makes it different from everybody else. Rosalie, Rosalie, move natural, naturally. Soft heart, strong mind, she's one of a kind. Yeah, Rosalie, there's something about her energy. Calm in her presence, but she shines so brightly. Oh, oh, Rosalie, yeah, yeah. Something about her, something different. Rosalie, yeah.
Rosalie, Mrs. Chasers, a mother, a wife, a woman with a beautiful story. And this is just the beginning. I watch you carry.
So guys, ndapedza kuprepare. I'm now waiting to cook. Pastove ndotoisa mvura yesadza, then ndaisa pan kuti oil isanonhita ndiise nyama yangu. Apa ndazosanganisa machunks nematemba. This combo is very nice. You should definitely try it. And also zvinongoitwa kuti zvinake, especially kana usinganyi kufarira matemba, akasanganiswa ne something, it tastes a bit better. But zvinonaka izvi. Apa ndakungoisa marara angu muplastic, ndichatozobuda panze unomaisa kubin later kana ndatopedze papa. So everything is now done here. Takuda kuenda kustove ndinozvisa. Apa ndongobika ka1 kuti sadza richikwata, nyama ichibva, mavheji achibva, tobva nangoita seni vanhu tongokasika kupedza. So that we have time yekurelaxa. So guys, as you can see, we are doing 4-in-1 now. I'm going to add liver kana zvaita izvi. Liver inokasika kuibva, saka ndozokasisa inoita like my porridge. But we are almost finished now. Ngomero sadza rangu rikwate mushana. So guys, shall take 2 minutes. Yeah, you don't want. So guys, we finished cooking, and this is the outcome. I finished cooking for my husband. Isu said we already ate. We didn't want sadza today, so chaga something different. So guys, enjoy the vlog, and thank you so much for watching. Continue to watch, to like, continue to subscribe, continue to comment on my YouTube channel. I love you so much guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.